This video is on the short summary of the antimicrobial drug, how they act, that is the mechanisms of their activity. So to remember the antimicrobial drug mechanism, first we have to remember what are the antimicrobial drugs classification, that is how are the groups, that is the beta-lactam antibiotics, polypeptides, polyene, sulfonamide, diaminopyrimidine, chloramphenicol, linezolid, macrolide, tetracycline, aminoglycosides, fluoroquinolone, antiviral agent, metronidazoles, and the rifampicin. These are the antimicrobial drug groups. So to remember, we have a mnemonics. We have the mnemonics British police. There is a British police. His name is Sweet Climate. He is aiming for the virtual Mary. So we're in the British, B stands for beta-lactam antibiotics. P stands for polypeptides, polyene. In the Swede, his name is Sweet Climate, where Swede, S and D, S stands for sulfonamides and diaminopyrimidine. And in the climate, Sweet Climate, CLMT. These are the alphabet we have to remember, where C stands for chloramphenicol, L stands for linezolid, M stands for macrolide, and T is the tetracycline. There is a British police, Sweet Climate. And aiming, A stands for aminoglycoside, aiming for, F stands for anti-fluoroquinolones, F stands for fluoroquinolones, V stands for antiviral agents, and the Mary, MR, M stands for metronidazoles, and R stands for rifampicin. So these are the antimicrobial drug groups. And next is the mechanism, how these antimicrobial drugs acts. These antimicrobial drugs acts as inhibiting the cell wall synthesis by the leakage of from the cell membranes, by the intermediary metabolisms, and also by the inhibit the protein synthesis. Next is the misreading of mRNA code, and another group of the antimicrobial drugs acts by the inhibiting DNA guidage, and also by the DNA synthesis, that is the interfere with the DNA synthesis and interfere with the DNA function. So to remember these mechanisms, that is we have a mnemonics Canadian loves Indian Punjabi married guys seeking fun. Canadian loves Indian Punjabi married guys seeking fun, where C stands for cell wall synthesis, that is the inhibit cell wall synthesis. L stands for leakage from the cell membrane, cause leakage from the cell membrane. I stands for interfere with intermediary metabolism. P stands for inhibit protein synthesis. M stands for misreading of mRNA code. G stands for inhibiting DNA guidage, and S stands for interfere with the DNA synthesis, and F stands for interfere with the DNA function. So these are the mechanism by which the antimicrobial drug acts, and the previous mnemonics we have the name of the antimicrobial drugs. So to remember the respectives, antimicrobial drug which acts by inhibiting cell wall synthesis, which acts by inhibiting the DNA guidage, which acts by misreading of the mRNA codes, we have to remember by placing the mnemonics side by side. That is where Canadian loves Indian Punjabi married guys seeking fun, and we have to place British police, name is Sweet Climate, aiming for the virtual marriage, where C and B are interlinks, that we have to, C is for B, L is for P, I D, Indian is for Swede, and Punjabi is for climate, and married is for aiming. G guys stands for guys is related with 4, and seeking is with virtual, and F fun is merry. Okay, now C, we have in the previous we see C stands for cell wall synthesis. So cell wall synthesis, the drug which acts by inhibiting cell wall synthesis is beta-lactam antibiotics, and the drugs which causes leakage from the cell membrane are polypeptides and polyene. That is, polypeptides and polyenes acts which cause the leakage from the cell membrane. And next we have interfere with the intermediary metabolisms, that is sulfonamide and diaminopyrimidine. That is sulfonamide diaminopyrimidine interfere with the intermediary metabolism. And next we have the inhibit protein synthesis, where Punjabi, P stands for protein synthesis, that is it acts by inhibiting protein synthesis, and the drug which acts by inhibiting protein synthesis are chloramphenicol, linezolid, macrolide, tetracycline. And after it we have a mechanism that acts by the misreading of the mRNA code, that is aminoglycoside, M and A, that is aminoglycosides. And next we have the guides. Guides is for 4, where G stands for inhibiting the DNA guidage, that is fluoroquinolones acts by inhibiting the DNA guidage. And next we have the interfere with the DNA synthesis, that is antiviral agents interfere with the DNA synthesis, and we have a interfere with the DNA function, and that is metronidazole and rifampicins interfere with the DNA function. So these are the short summary of the mechanism of the antimicrobial drugs